everyone. So this session let's solve the nonlinear equation. Okay. So last session we solved the linear equation, and we used the three techniques, right? One is the elimination, one is substitution, one is graphic, right? Graphics drawing the graph, then to see the result, right? So as last time we already suggestion, graphic just use auxiliary, and for me main is use the substitution, and the second will be elimination. Depends on what the equation looks like. Here this time we go to the nonlinear equation, so we'll step by step, and we use the different kind of the techniques, but I will not use the graphic as the exact way of the solving, but as an auxiliary at this time as well. So let's go to see the first graph. We try to use the substitution, okay, way. So we can see the first the two equation. The first is a 9. The second is a circle, right? And in fact, I draw the graph already, so you can see they have two intersections. Why I'm drawing this first? Because I want to later let you know we can verify our result to compare with the graph. If they're the same, then which means right? If they're not same, then definitely have something wrong. So what we're supposed to do? So for this one, for equation 1, we are very easily we can find what? We can find we can move the 3y to right side, so we can find the x equals to what? 9 minus 3y. Am I right? So we make this as equation 3, and then take the equation 3 to equation 2. Equation 2 is what? It's like a equation 2, let's first simplify as x squared plus y squared is equal to 10. Let's make it as 4. Okay. So take the substitute the x in equation 3 into the equation 4. So which means 9 minus 3y squared, right? Plus y squared equals to 10. Alright? So here we can solve that. It's 81 minus 2ab, right? Minus this it should be plus, right? 2ab is 54y, then plus 9y squared plus y squared equals to 10. So here we can simplify as 10y squared, right? Then plus 54y, then plus here is moved, there is 71 equals to 0. So based on this one, we have to use the conjoint equation to solve this one. So so y equals to what? 2a, right? 2a is 2 times 10, right? Negative b is negative 54 plus minus, right? So I have 2y. What's that? B squared. So 54 squared minus 4 times a times negative 71, right? Okay, I already calculated this, so I will not take time because this really spend time. So I find they have 2 points. So first point is x equals to 2.22. Y this 2.22 is not exactly okay. This is a bit square root, so close to 2.22. Y equals to 2.26. Another point is another point is negative 0.39. Then doubles right is 3.13. So we can compare with this graph. It's negative, yes, 3. So it's right? So this is substitution. Okay. So let's go to the next one. We try to use the elimination. Okay. So this is a combination of the 9 and a circle, right? So how to do that? So let's just make a little change of the equation 1. So y squared so equals to 20 minus x squared, right? So equation 2, so this make as 3, equation 3. And how about this one? Equation 2, we make like the y equals to 2 minus x, right? And then we square of both sides. And then y squared equals to 4 minus what? 4x plus x squared, right? We make this as equation 4. So we equation 4 minus equation 3, so equals to what? So this side's cancel. So 0 equals to what? Y squared is 20, right? So 4 minus 20 is what? 4 minus 20 is negative 16. And then next to 4x. X squared minus what? X squared minus x squared is positive 2x squared, right? So this can look like we can divide it by 2 by both sides. So x squared minus what? 2x minus 8 equals to 0, right? So for this one, we can very easily to identify this should be what? X should be equals to what? X should be equals to negative 4, and another x, x1, x2 should be what? 2, right? So if x equals to negative 4, so y equals to 2, and then another y should be equals to what? 4. Mm, it's negative 4, y a is negative, x is negative 4, as x is negative 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Wait. X is negative 4. X is negative 4. Y is 6. Right? X is wait. X minus. Sorry. Should be X is positive 4. Y is negative 2. So based on this, X is 4. So Y is negative 2. X is negative 2. Y is 4. So let's comparing here. X equals to 4. X equals to 4. Y equals negative 2. Right? So totally right. Okay. So let's go to another one. Let's solve the linear equation. So this time we can see they have two circle, right? They have two, no, sorry, not two circle. One is a circle. The first one is a circle. The second one is a ellipse, right? So for this one, definitely you will choose elimination, right? Because uh, it's quite clear, right? So we just use equation 2 minus equation 1, so equals to x squared equals to 5, right? So x is equals to positive negative square root of 5. Am I right? So we already got x. So we can see this graph, okay? So definitely we can see x have definitely we can see here is x have square root of 5, a negative square root of 5, and the y have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Why? Because x have 2, every x can get 2y. So let's see how it is. So if x equals to square root of 5, then we take to the equation of 1. So x squared 5 plus y squared is equal to 15. So y squared equals to 10, right? So y equals to negative positive square root of 10. So when x equals to square root of 5, when is x to equal square root of 5, y equals to positive negative square root of 10. Same thing happened when x equals to negative square root of 5, y equals to positive negative of the square root of 10. So finally, we solve this along both linear equation. Okay, so thank you very much for joining this session. And for this session, we learn linear equation and how to solve them. And we use the majority is substitution and the elimination way. Okay, thank you for joining. Thank you. Bye-bye.